Oh, buddy, look at this.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
No point turning back now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long minute, but I got a surprise for you guys. I'm here with one of the homies, TVO Racing, who just picked up a new car, and it's like fucking out of this world. Sorry.
Hey guys, my Supra. Today will be installing the Voltex wing, 4.5, full carbon fiber. Let's get it. First time. Haven't even seen it yet.
Also, don't mind Tony's flip-flops, you know.
What are those?
You know?
Hey.
Man's comfortable.
Camera up here.
Man's comfortable. Oh, you know what's legit when instructions are in Japanese?
Can you read it?
Yeah, Google Translate.
Oh yeah. I was thinking the same thing. Oh, buddy, look at this.
Don't drop it now.
Holy.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Got that on camera.
Bro.
Wow.
I don't want to damage it anymore.
Wow. She fine. Alright guys, so we got the product unboxed. We're gonna show you what it looks like right out of the packaging. We got the brackets left and right side with all the hardware included right on the bracket itself, and three-sided tape, two-sided tape right on the back there with foam. And then here's the wing itself. Look at the detail on that carbon fiber. Tony, can you just lift up the wing?
Of course.
And let's just show them underneath.
Of course, I love touching this thing.
And you got brackets right under there. And same on that side. Alright, let's put this shit on now.
Do it.
Alright guys, so just to show you, we mounted up the brackets to the spoiler itself. We're gonna line it up on the trunk of the vehicle right after, but we just, want to see where the holes here will line up on the trunk. So this is what we did. Let's do it.
What do you need?
Oh! Oh my god! Are you okay? Tony!
Alright. We got the wing is good. This one's a bit in. This one's a bit in. Look at it. It's just right here. Oh, not that bad actually. Right here. Yeah, it's good actually.
How's it?
It's good.
All right. Fun part.
Holy shit, the fun part. This one. Hold up.
You got this.
No point turning back now.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Look at that! Alright, you pop this cherry. First hole. Yeah. This is the most important one. Perfect.
Dead end?
Perfect.
Alright.
You're done.
Oh, buddy. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh no.
What happened?
Oh no, nothing. Ow! Those are clean holes, bro.
You know what we should have did was order touch-up paint.
I have.
What is it called?
I have it here.
Already?
Bro, come on, G. I came prepared.
Nothing was prepared today.
Wow.
Yeah, touch up the holes just so that, you know.
Well, it's not metal. It's
Plastic?
plastic.
The trunk is plastic?
The trunk is plastic.
How do you
bro.
know?
Touch it. Yo, knock on this and knock on this. It's plastic.
Wow. Just for a little background, we did not read any instructions or watch any videos. This was literally like,
Bro, I mean,
we just did it off common sense, which, hey, not bad. The spoiler's on.
yeah, not bad at all. Question is, will it stay on?
Right now, we just test fitted the spoiler. We didn't attach the 3M or we didn't fully screw in the spoiler. We just wanted to see how it looks, and it looks phenomenal.
Because we're doing the bathroom first.